Bay windows are an architectural feature that has stood the test of time, offering both aesthetic and functional benefits. In Little Rock, where picturesque landscapes and a vibrant community set the tone for home design, bay windows are a perfect addition to any property. Whether you're considering a home improvement project or building a new home, here are the top benefits of installing bay windows in Little Rock homes. Maximizing natural light. Little Rock is known for its sunny days and breathtaking natural surroundings, and bay windows are the ideal way to bring that light into your home. Their multi-angled design, often consisting of 3 large panes, allows sunlight to enter from various directions. This flood of natural light creates a bright, inviting space that reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day and enhances the mood of your interiors. Enhancing scenic views. Living in Little Rock often means enjoying views of lush greenery, rolling hills, or charming neighborhoods. Bay windows provide a panoramic perspective, acting as a visual frame for the surrounding beauty. Whether it's the changing colors of fall or the serene sights of a well-manicured garden, bay windows allow you to fully appreciate the outdoor scenery from the comfort of your home. Increasing interior space. Bay windows extend outward from the walls of your home, creating additional indoor space. This unique feature is particularly valuable in Little Rock homes, where maximizing functionality and design is key. The ledge created by the window extension can be transformed into a cozy reading nook, a seating area, or even a decorative space for plants and collectibles. This extra space adds both style and practicality to your living areas. Boosting curb appeal. First impressions matter, and bay windows can dramatically enhance the exterior appeal of your Little Rock home. Their outward projection and elegant design add depth and dimension to your facade, making your property stand out in the neighborhood. Whether your home has a classic southern charm or a modern aesthetic, bay windows complement a variety of architectural styles, giving your home a polished and sophisticated look. Improving ventilation. The operable side panels of many bay window designs, such as casement or double-hung windows, allow for improved airflow in your home. This feature is especially beneficial during Little Rock's mild spring and fall seasons when fresh air can be enjoyed without the need for air conditioning. Proper ventilation enhances indoor air quality and provides a natural cooling effect, contributing to a healthier living environment. Energy efficiency. Modern bay windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind, featuring insulated glass, low-E coatings, and durable frames. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, reducing heat transfer during Little Rock's hot summers and retaining warmth during cooler months. By minimizing energy loss, bay windows can lower your utility bills while maintaining a comfortable living space. Creating a spacious feel. Even in smaller rooms, bay windows create an illusion of extra space and openness. The outward projection and expansive glass panes make the room feel larger and more connected to the outdoors. This is a great way to enhance the flow and ambiance of your Little Rock home, making it feel more luxurious and inviting. Versatility in design. Bay windows come in various styles and materials, allowing you to customize them to match your home's aesthetic. From traditional wood frames to sleek, modern finishes, bay windows can be tailored to suit your personal taste. You can also accessorize them with stylish curtains, plantation shutters, or built-in seating to further enhance their functionality and charm. Increasing home value. Installing bay windows is an investment that adds value to your property. Their aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and functional benefits make your home more attractive to potential buyers. In Little Rock's competitive real estate market, features like bay windows can set your property apart and contribute to a higher resale value. Timeless appeal. Bay windows have been a popular architectural feature for centuries, and their timeless elegance ensures they never go out of style. By incorporating bay windows into your Little Rock home, you're adding a design element that remains both relevant and desirable over the years. Conclusion. Bay windows are an excellent addition to any Little Rock home, offering a combination of beauty, functionality, and value. From maximizing natural light and ventilation to enhancing curb appeal and interior space, the benefits of bay windows are clear. Whether you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, create a cozy seating area, or boost its resale value, bay windows deliver on all fronts. Ready to transform your home? Work with a trusted local professional to explore bay window options that suit your Little Rock home's unique style and needs. With bay windows, you can enjoy the best of what Little Rock has to offer, both inside and out.